Good. Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. We are here with our um, Alice project, and we are trying to make a penguin go back and forth between a banana tree and a ice cube. So we got a banana tree, we've got ice cube, penguin goes back and forth. That's what we're looking for it to do. Right now it's kind of in the middle and basically heading toward the banana tree. Okay. So in doing that, what we did was we added some stuff to the penguin. Okay. One of the things we did was we added a Boolean variable called going_to_tree. Okay, which is going to like hold information. The penguin's going to hold information about itself and tell it whether it's going to the tree or not. Okay. We also added. Let me see here. We added some procedures. Okay. And we added a function too, okay, that would tell you whether the penguin, like you can ask the penguin whether it knows whether it's going to the tree or not, okay. And then we wanted to set up a penguin moving function, but we're probably going to do that a different way. And but we had it so that if the penguin goes to the tree, we can kind of flip the variable down here, this property, and have it like switch. So if it's going to the tree and it hits the tree, it's going to hit this, and then this is going to be false. And if it's false, then it's going to move to the iceberg. And when it gets to the iceberg, it's going to flip, and then it's going to go to the tree. So it's to allow it to go back and forth. Okay. So basically, the procedure was to create a property, which is a variable, and then create some functions and procedures about that. Okay. And with these, we can get this to move. Okay. So we have going_to_tree, which looks like this. Okay. We have get_going_to_tree, which looks like this. Very small, simple functions, right? This is a function, very small, simple procedure. And then what we're going to do is going to use it in my first method. Okay, my first method is kind of like main to us. Okay, and we're going to run the whole thing like this. So what we're going to do is first we're going to create a while loop. I'm going to get this from the bottom and put it up here and create a while true. This is going to continually run. This is kind of like the major procedure of our program, okay? And it's just going to keep going. What I want to do is I'm going to go like this and write an if statement, okay? I'm going to say true so it shows up. And what I want to do is I want to actually get to the penguin and call up the get, where is it? Oh, it's the banana tree. I got to go to the penguin, which is Pepe. And we have this thing called get_going_to_tree. So I'm going to go like this and drop that right in there, because that's going to tell me whether it's true or false. So if get_going_to_the_tree is true, then Pepe here should be going to the tree. Otherwise, he should be going to the ice cube. Okay. So if it's true, then what I need to do is go to the procedure here, and there's a move toward. And the target here can be the banana tree. Okay, and we'll move it a little bit. We'll even make this smaller. 0.1. Okay, and you can add these details, like the duration can be also like 0.1. It can be small. And we can add detail. I've been using, instead of the gently one, I've been using the abruptly one now, and it seems to be good. So begin and end abruptly, and that's good. Okay. And then if not, then what I want to do is I want to move him toward the ice cube. So the ice. Okay. And I'll put like 0.1 in here too. There you go. Okay, so this is how you write this. Okay, so what's going to happen is he's either moving toward the tree or moving toward the ice. That's what he's doing. And if we run him, let's see if this will work. you'll see what happens. And the next step for this, which you can handle in another video, is to get him to flip around. Okay, so there he goes. Boom, and then see what he does. He kind of like stays there because he's supposed to be hitting the tree. So what he's done is he's gone and he's actually really like found the tree. So your job would be to flip him around and head him to the iceberg, and then get this to work again. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding some code to this that gets him to flip around. And we know how to use the toggle. You're going to be using the toggle function that we wrote. Okay, the toggle procedure. And that's it. And that's the plan. So see if you can do that, and I will talk to you later.